Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a products I regret purchasing video for you. So with some products, it's not really the regret purchasing factor that comes into play. It's basically just a few things that have gone off. I have a nice collection here. It looks like much more than it actually is, so let's just get started. First thing I have here is the Balea Anti-Frizz Volume Spray. I used it for a while. I don't know if you can see. It's like until here. But first off, the second ingredient that is in is alcohol. And I don't really want to put that on my hair because it's drying my hair out a little. I know some alcohol in cosmetics and hair care products is good, but I just don't want to risk it, you know? So that's one of the negative points. And the second thing is, I feel like this only truly works when you blow dry your hair afterwards, which I don't do. I don't really use a blow dryer anymore, unless on very rare occasions. This is a bit useless to me. You know, like I said, I actually tried using it without blow drying my hair. It didn't really work for me. I still have this whole thing left. I might give it to someone, or I might, you know, donate it or whatever, because it's not really working for me. Unfortunately, it smells really good, but it's not working for me. Another thing that's not really working for me, although I've used it up. Well, I didn't really use it up, but I used also like this quite a lot. It's the Balea Hair Milk for moisture with mango sand, and is a anti-dryness effect. I don't even know what that means. And without silicones for dry and damaged hair. It is not really a hair milk because it's not that liquidy. It's kind of like a bit of a runnier conditioner. It's not like milk, okay? Like it is milk that has gone off, if you know what I mean. It smells good. I love the pump of it, but it just makes my hair so greasy. Granted, I only use anything with moisturizing aspects, and I only use that from like maybe my ear or even my chin down. I don't really use it on my scalp, but even in my ends, they look so greasy. Even though I was fresh out of the shower, it looked like I haven't washed them in like 5 days or so. I appreciate the fact that it's actually really moisturizing, because otherwise it wouldn't look that greasy, but maybe it's just not for my hair. You know, maybe this is actually for extreme dry and damaged hair, split ends, straw-like hair, whatever it is. It's not for me, unfortunately. Like I said, it smells good. I used it quite a few times and I figured, at first I was like, maybe you just used too much. Maybe you didn't apply it the correct way. Maybe I should have washed it off, even though it says you shouldn't. You know, I was really in the conflict with myself because I feel like I did something wrong because it didn't work for me. And then I just turned the switch and I was like, this is not your fault, okay? This is just not working for you. It might work like wonderfully for someone else, but not for me. So I'm donating this or throwing it away. I don't know. We'll see. This I kind of like, but also don't like. This is the Philip Kingsley Maximizer. Maximizes volume, body, and bounce for fine, limp, and flyaway hair types. Now, I use this and I actually really like it. It gives you a nice volume. It looks good. It smells good. It's nice. But with my hair, given the fact I don't put any conditioner here on my scalp, around my scalp, and this is where I usually put this, right, just to get a bit more volume. This makes my hair very dry. You know, I just can't win when it comes to the hair department thing, okay? It's a loss, no matter what I do. I like it, not that much that I would still use it or use it up or whatever, so I will get rid of this. We actually have a group on Facebook that is the food sharing group, where, you know, if you have food that is expiring soon, you know you don't want to eat or you won't eat or whatever, you can put it in there and someone can come pick it up. I might make a group for beauty items and for household items and whatever, so people can come pick it up. I mean, these products are still good. Granted, I've used them, and if you are a germaphobe, this is absolutely not for you, but some people might be happy to have. I mean, look, this is just, I don't even know how much is this. It's just a tiny bit out, so maybe I should make a group like that and then just put my things in there, so you know what I mean. Apologies if you hear my dog running around. This perfume makes me a little sad because it's a nice perfume. It's Nomad by Chloe, and it smells really good. A bit strong for my liking. It smells, I don't want, that sounds rude, but it smells a bit like grandma, you know what I mean? I don't have a problem with it. I like it. The thing is, this is not like the spray, nozzle, whatever. I don't even know what this is. This is not spraying like a perfume gel. Let me just, I hope you see this. See? Like this, straight out. No diffusion or whatever you call it. It's just like straight out. And if you put this onto your t-shirt or whatever, I have my vintage blouse, you know, like beige yellowy one. I put it on and I had like a spot of perfume here. Just like a round dot of perfume, because this is not the way it should be. And I tried everything. I tried to clean this, I tried to remove this, and then just clean it again, and it's just not working. It's just always coming out in like a straight line. It smells so good, honestly. My room now smells amazingly, but it's just not for me, which sucks. I might give this to my best friend, we'll see. This, just to get it out of the way, because the rest is lip products. So this is a concealer that I recently bought. This is the La Vera Natural Concealer in Ivory, and first off, this is not ivory. I don't know if you can see, but this is not ivory. I'm not pale white, but I'm pale, and this is not ivory. This compared to me, this is beige. Okay, and this is the lightest shade I have. Now, first off, I hope you can tell this is not my color. Oh, there you can see it better. See? And then second off, if you rub this in, it's not doing anything. It's not concealing anything. It's like, it smells good. It smells like Nivea cream, which is a bit weird because this is La Vera, this is cruelty-free and vegan, and then you have Nivea. It's not really doing anything. Like, it smells good. It gives you a little bit of a tint, but it's not concealing anything. You know what I mean? I don't know. So this I will probably throw away because, you know, I tried it on my eyes and whatever. So, but no, don't use this. Okay, the rest is lip products. This is the ColourPop lip gloss from the designer Belle collection, which I have the box here. I keep that. Yes, I'm a hoarder. Last Petal, which is a gorgeous color. Yeah, beautiful. But after a while, first of all, it's very sticky, and after a while, the only thing left that you see on your lips is the glitter. There's no color left anymore. Granted, it's a lip gloss. It's supposed to fade away. If you ever come up with a lip gloss that stays on no matter what you do, please hit me up. I wouldn't want to see that. But yeah, the only thing you have left is glitter, and that glitter is very hard to remove as well. With a makeup wipe, with makeup remover, whatever it is. It's beautiful, but it's just not my thing. The color is nothing. Like it's beautiful, but it's not a lip gloss that you don't need a mirror with. You know, you have some lip glosses, you put that on, you leave the house, you're fine. This, you need a mirror with you, okay? Because it's easy to go overboard, and it just looks like a butthole sometimes, okay? So I'd rather not use them. Also, I feel like this is getting old or whatever it is, because it's slightly separating, and there's not that much in the first place. I haven't used it that often. This is going, wish I could donate this. This I hate. This is the Rouge à Lèvres. It's basically a felt tip liner by C'est Tout Moi, Miss Europe. It's a red. I like this. Actually a nice color if you think about it. Hold on. You heard that too though, didn't you? What the hell was that? So anyway, it's a beautiful color. It's a felt tip, like I said. You can see it here. And this is so drying. First off, you need a bunch of this to get a nice opaque color. It's supposed to stay on for 24 hours, which is not doing it. And it's also resistant to water, like waterproof and whatever, and it's not. I had this on, I drank a coffee. And I had everything in my coffee, you know, on the foam mug, you know what I mean? And also on my mug and everywhere, and don't tell me it's waterproof, it's not. It leaves a bit of a sting behind, even on my hand, as you can see, but it's not waterproof. Also, like I said, it's really drying out my lips, and I don't like that. And then 3 more products left. Is 3 times the same thing, basically. These Jeffree Star mini lip glosses, they are dirty as hell, because I got a bunch of these, and I only use one shade at a time, so it's taking me a while. Anyway, these 3 have gone off. Like, usually they're supposed to smell very sweet and like vanilla-y, I guess. This one smells bad, like plastic. This one still smells kind of good, but it has a very weird discoloration. I don't know if I can see it. See, it's like light beigey and then some red into it and then some dark, and it's just... This has just gone off. And then this one here also smells not good anymore. Oh, this smells even worse. This smells disgusting. So this one here is Posh Spice. Beautiful color, love it. The one that's actually just off, you know, with the different colors is Mannequin. This one. And then the other one that has gone off is Androgyny. This. They're all 3 very beautiful colors, and I love the nude bundle, but they've just gone off, and I don't want to put that on my lips anymore. So I actually used Posh Spice a few times to make some fake freckles. That actually was nice. I didn't have a reaction to that, thank God. But yeah, they've all gone off, unfortunately. I still have like 3 left from the whole collection. 4, I'm not really sure. That's the negative part of buying so many lip products at once. You know, it was a whole bundle of, I don't even know how much, I don't even know how many. But yeah, like I only use 1 lip product at a time, sometimes 2, depending on what look I'm going for. But there's no way I can go through all of these before they go bad, you know what I mean? So unfortunately they leave me. So that was it. That was everything I'm getting rid of this time, this month, whatever. Enjoy it. Let me know what you got rid of or what you regretted purchasing. That could be makeup, that could be a book, that could be a magazine or food or whatever it is. And yeah, I'll see you next video. Bye. It's not, hold on, let me close the window. Even though I was fresh out of the water, this calm down, calm down. My dog wants to come down from the window, so you got to start the show, huh? He sees a dog outside. It's fine. And what are you doing? Are you playing on your butt or what? Oh, thank God, you're finally walking. Thank goodness.